Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best door frame is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components of any home, providing structural integrity and aesthetic appeal to your living spaces. Whether you're renovating, building a new home, or simply looking to enhance the look and feel of your interior, choosing the right door frame is crucial for both functionality and style. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes a door frame truly stand out, exploring the various materials, designs, and installation considerations that will help you make an informed decision for your next project. Number 5. 20-foot silicone D-shaped weather stripping door seal. This versatile seal provides comprehensive protection for your doors and windows. It effectively blocks drafts, dust, moisture, light, and noise, enhancing comfort in any room. Crafted from soft silicone, this seal strip is designed to fit snugly into gaps around doors, windows, and cabinets. It offers a flexible solution for openings between 1/8 and 1/4 inch. With a generous 20-foot length, you can easily cut this weather stripping tape to size for any sealing need. It's perfect for doors, windows, or any other gaps you need to fill. Made from resilient silicone, it maintains its flexibility in all temperatures. This ensures reliable insulation against wind, dust, moisture, and external noise throughout the year. Applying this seal is effortless. Simply clean the surface, cut the strip, peel the backing, and press it into place. An included promoter ensures a strong, lasting bond. What we like. This offers comprehensive protection against drafts, dust, and noise. Its flexible silicone design adapts to various gaps, making installation a breeze. If you're looking for a simple, effective solution to improve comfort in any room, this is a great choice. What people say. The door frame is made of solid wood, which makes it very durable and long-lasting. The design of the door frame is simple yet elegant, and it fits well with various interior styles. The installation process was straightforward, and all the necessary hardware was included. Number 4. Lunghaa 6-frame Premade accent wall molding kit. Tired of complicated DIY projects? Introducing a revolutionary way to elevate your home's aesthetic with ease. This kit is designed for a seamless and beautiful transformation. Say goodbye to tedious cutting and measuring. Our moldings come pre-cut, making installation a breeze. You can now decorate your walls without the usual hassle. Getting started is as easy as cleaning your wall, applying adhesive, and attaching the pieces. A little tape is all you need to secure them until the adhesive sets. Crafted from high-quality, durable polystyrene, these moldings are built to last. They resist scratches, moisture, and won't bend out of shape, ensuring a lasting finish. Customize your space like never before. Combine the moldings to perfectly fit your walls and paint them to match your unique style, creating a truly personalized look. Perfect for any wall surface, this adaptable trim enhances the aesthetic appeal of any interior. It's the versatile solution for a more stylish and pleasing room. What we like. This kit simplifies the process of adding decorative molding to your walls. Made from durable polystyrene, it offers creative freedom for stylish home makeovers. If you want to easily elevate your interior design with a custom look, this is the perfect option. What people say. The door frame is made of solid wood, which gives it a sturdy and durable feel. The design of the door frame is simple yet elegant, fitting well with various interior styles. Installation was straightforward, and the frame securely holds the door in place. Number 3. Yard and Home DIY Exterior White Door Jamb Frame Kit. Introducing our exterior door jamb frame kit, designed for your DIY projects. It's primed and ready for paint, saving you time and effort. Installation is a breeze with this pre-cut frame. It's designed to fit a variety of sills and doors, making your project hassle-free. Crafted from quality pine wood, this frame offers rigid construction and a sleek design. It's precision milled for a perfect fit. Featuring finger joints, the wood pieces are engineered for added strength and stability. You can rely on its durability. Each kit comes with everything you need: a weather strip, two 8.25-foot legs, and 136 header. Get your project started right away. What we like. This exterior door jamb frame kit is primed and pre-cut for a quick installation. Constructed from quality pine wood, it ensures rigid construction and a sleek design. If you need a durable and easy-to-install door frame solution that's ready for paint, this is an excellent pick. What people say. The door frame is sturdy and well-made. Easy to install and fits perfectly. The design is sleek and modern, complementing the overall aesthetic of the room. Number 2. Quartet 4 feet by 3 feet enclosed cork bulletin board, 2124. Introducing the Quartet enclosed bulletin board, designed to keep your important notices safe and visible, no matter the weather. Its weather-resistant aluminum frame and shatterproof acrylic door protect your messages from rain and damage, ensuring they stay pristine outdoors. Keep your communications secure with the lockable swing door, providing peace of mind for your posted information. Each lock comes with a key. This notice board is engineered for quality performance in any outdoor setting, offering a reliable way to display information. Featuring a satin-finished anodized aluminum frame with full-length hinges, it combines a sleek look with robust construction for lasting use. What we like. This bulletin board is designed to withstand the elements, protecting your important messages. Its lockable door adds security, making it ideal for outdoor environments. If you need a durable and secure way to display information outdoors, this is a reliable choice. What people say. The door frame is made of solid wood, which makes it very durable and long-lasting. The design of the door frame is simple yet elegant, and it complements any interior decor. The installation process was straightforward, and all the necessary hardware was included. Number 1. Bruiefpap weather stripping. Tired of high energy bills? This weather stripping creates a perfect seal around your doors and windows. It keeps your home warm in winter and cool in summer, saving you money on heating and cooling costs. Crafted from high-density, durable felt, this seal is designed to withstand distortion and wear. Its waterproof and resilient brush ensures a long service life, providing reliable protection for years to come. Perfect for front doors, sliding doors, and windows, it effectively blocks out noise, wind, dust, and weather. Enjoy a quieter, more comfortable living environment with this versatile solution. Installation is a breeze. Simply clean the surface, peel, and stick. Its strong self-adhesive backing ensures it stays in place without peeling, providing long-lasting performance. Available in multiple sizes to fit various gaps precisely. Measure your doors and windows to choose the ideal thickness for optimal sealing and energy efficiency. What we like. This weather stripping provides excellent soundproofing and insulation, helping you save on energy costs. Made from high-density felt, it's durable and widely applicable to various doors and windows. If you're seeking to create a quieter, more comfortable home environment and reduce energy bills, this is a fantastic solution. What people say. The door frame is sturdy and well-made, providing excellent support for the door. Installation was straightforward, and the frame fits perfectly into the doorway. The design is sleek and modern, complementing the overall aesthetic of the room. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.